Presently, we cooperate with the web utilizing concentrated administrations presented by any semblance of Amazon, Google, and other tech organizations. The organizers behind Blockstacks contended that tech organizations like the crypto and blockchain industry shouldn't have the ability to control the web. All things being equal, it ought to duplicate the first philosophy of start-to-finish association oversaw by the purchasers. Then, a progression of friend-checked-on research distributions were delivered in 2016, which got significantly really subsidizing, and Blockstack wound up raising more than $4 million somewhere in the range of 2016 and 2017. At long last, a $50 million symbolic deal in 2019 ICO brought this modern crypto to people in general, permitting them to purchase and hold the Stacks STX coin. In the wake of being renamed in 2020, STX organization made an exceptional personality for itself and consequently brought about an enormous spike in its valuation. Stacks raised from 47 cents to $2.90 inside the initial not many long periods of 2021, yet again in the wake of confronting the intensity of broad benefit booking. STX has arrived at near the past highs. As of now, STX coin and Blockstack PBC hold a colossal potential in the cryptographic money market with a bullish pattern since they demonstrate their goal and understand a decentralized web. As brilliant agreements and dApps keep on developing on Bitcoin's organization, STX token will bounce new levels before very long, with some in any event, contending a 100x move in a year. That being said, Stacks has extensive potential, and it can't be denied. Utilizing Bitcoin's protection and security to oblige its activities is apparently one of the extremely striking moves of fostering an environment utilizing BTC. What are Stacks, and how can it respond? Stacks is a Layer 1 blockchain arrangement that tends to shrewd agreement in decentralized applications improvement utilizing the BTC digital currency. Since Bitcoin has been generally utilized, it is one of the most solid crypto networks. Moreover, it resolves the issues of protection and security. Stacks expects to involve it for fostering its brilliant agreements biological system for a decentralized web. Stacks means to be the decentralized processing stage for the up-and-coming age of the web. Stacks can be viewed as the application layer of the web, which is right now being worked by organizations like Google and Facebook. Stacks centers around fostering a stage where protection can be safeguarded with just the purchaser controlling their information. At present, Stacks have a huge number of dynamic clients and have timed more than 1 million purchasers in its environment. In the crypto local area, Stacks is developing its name. Despite the fact that it has a blockchain, it relies upon the Bitcoin blockchain for security and exchange settlement. Stacks even use BTC as the hold money of its own local Stacks STX coin. Stacks add shrewd agreement usefulness and protection to BTC without rotating the blockchain. Stacks value examination. Stacks token has been on the exchanging market since October 2019, and there hasn't been any stunning development up to this point. The Stacks STX cost activity has climbed exclusively in 2021 after the renaming hit another high of $2.90, which it is presently expecting to break. The ongoing cost of $2.05 is near 20x of its ICO cost of 12 cents. Stacks value took to the sky at the same time with two occasions. The first was the name change, and one more was the arrival of its mainnet in January 2021. This occasion brought about a bullish pattern in the cost for STX, since stacking BTC gives the valuable chance to mine the token. In the event that the stacking rewards become worthwhile for excavators, one can anticipate a rising interest for the Stacks token. Diggers need to hold something like 90,000 Stacks STX tokens to take an interest as a speaker on the Stacks blockchain. Doing this today will cost one around $250,000 USD, taking into account the worth of STX coin to be upwards of $2.35. Binance conveys the most elevated exchange volume of near 17% with STX, USDT. Stacks STX has shown areas of strength for it to grow out of the contenders, and the Stacks cost activity appears to be undeniably like the Bitcoin cost activity over the most recent 2 years according to our specialized examination. The pattern is bound to break out of current solidification levels, while opinion across STX has been positive since the actual send-off of Stacks 2.0. The prompt opposition level creating around $1.58 is generally clear, with high any expectations of denoting a breakout. In any case, the shadow on the candle's graph shows serious areas of strength for that would require a huge Stacks STX value activity to become moving once more. The following obstruction will $1.78 and the significant opposition will be $1.58. On the month-to-month outline information, we notice the dismissal levels near $2.55 stories rehashed in both October and November 2021 candles. Subsequently, it can undoubtedly be concluded that STX faces some difficulty at the pinnacle, which is reproduced in view of a comparable cost pattern on BTC. $0.96 will be going about as prompt help for any benefit setting up for the Stacks STX cryptographic money. The following help will be 77 cents and the significant help will be 49 cents. According to their STX cost forecast, it is projected that the STX cost to outperform $2.19 levels toward the finish of 2022, yet holds a more hardy position and bullish pattern by 2027 with an assumption for STX hitting $4.89. In light of STX value expectation of priceprediction.net is advancing a lot better yield, with Stacks STX penetrating $8.64 levels toward the finish of 2026, that is, inside the following 5 years, while their momentary cost expectation for the finish of 2022 stands at $1.95. Tech News Pioneer's STX cost forecast has demonstrated areas of strength for and of exchanging $8.21 toward the finish of 2026. For the following year, the finish of 2022, the STX cost might reach $2.50. STX will unquestionably end up being a decent portfolio expansion and beneficial venture for financial backers' future. According to our Stacks cost forecasts, it is normal that the Stacks cost might reach $5.92 following a year. The earlier year's November was positive for Stacks cost. It broke areas of strength for the degree of $2.55. The volumes likewise stayed in a similar reach, and an expansion in volumes had prompted breakout developments. Financial backers can have a long-haul procuring potential while exchanging STX because of its ongoing bullish pattern and our cryptographic money projections information. Stacks Value Expectation 2022. Stacks has acquired some noticeable quality in 2021 and has shown its capability to execute genuine shrewd contacts on BTC's environment and organization. There is major areas of strength for a potential by putting resources into STX. For crypto that has denoted an increase of 400% in 2021, it ought to basically offer a significant return in 2022. Consequently, an objective of $1 to $2 ought to be acknowledged toward the finish of 2022. For 2022, there is a bullish STX cost expectation. Stacks Value Forecast 2023. Stacks serious areas of strength for hold to reflect gigantic gets back from a drawn-out speculation. According to the Stacks Value Estimate and Specialized Examination, the cost of STX crypto is anticipated to arrive at least degree of $1.71. The STX cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.08 with a typical exchanging cost of $1.91 in 2023. Stacks Value Expectation 2024. STX value expectation is bullish for the drawn-out in light of tremendous local area and huge reception. The greatest cost of Stacks might reach $2.15 before the current year's over. The STX cost is supposed to hit a base degree of $1.59 in 2024 with a typical cost of $1.82 all through 2024. Consequently, putting resources into Stacks at the ongoing value levels will be productive in the long haul. Stacks Value